Do you need to conduct a clinical study on your new medical device in the United States of America? We have the perfect solution for you. With offices in the USA and local team of regulatory and clinical professionals, Global Regulatory Partners can handle all your regulatory, quality, clinical, and pharmacovigilance needs. To be able to register an innovative medical device in the USA, companies must first conduct clinical studies with the medical device, also called investigational device, to demonstrate its safety and effectiveness. Before starting the clinical study in US, sponsors need to submit an application called Investigational Device Exemption, IDE, to the Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, and receive FDA approval. What is an IDE? An IDE is a regulatory submission that permits companies, called also sponsors, to conduct a clinical trial or clinical investigation with an investigational device. When do you need to submit an IDE to FDA? IDE is required only for devices that pose significant risks, SR, to patients, meaning they can present serious risks to their health, safety, and welfare. As an example, implants, devices that support or sustain human life, or devices that treat or prevent serious diseases. For serious risk devices, you will need to submit a complete IDE application to the FDA and receive their approval. You need also to receive the approval of an Institutional Review Board, IRB, prior to initiation of your clinical trial. For non-significant risks, NSR devices, you need to obtain the IRB approval only before the initiation of your clinical trial. Examples of NSR devices include most daily wear contact lenses and lens solutions and ultrasonic dental scalers. When you don't need to submit an IDE to FDA, called IDE exempted. An IDE submission is not required for commercial devices used in accordance with their labeling, diagnostic devices, veterinary devices, device used for research. What is the content of a full IDE submission? An IDE should include the name and address of the sponsor, the report of prior testing and investigations conducted on the device, the investigational plan, description of the manufacturing packaging processes and controls, investigator agreement, name, address of IRB, and name of its chairperson, list of clinical sites, environmental assessment, labeling, informed consent. How can GRP help you with your IDE? As your local agent, GRP will do the following for you. Step 1. We will define the classification and the risk of your device. Step 2. We will identify if your device requires an IDE or not. Step 3. If your device requires an IDE application, we will compile it for you. Step 4. We will submit your IDE application to FDA. Step 5. We will respond to FDA queries received during FDA review. It takes 30 days for FDA to review an IDE. Step 6. We will receive FDA approval for your IDE. Step 7. We will help you start your clinical study in the USA with your new medical device. We have a proven 100% success rate in handling the registration process of medical devices in USA. Contact us today at info@globalregulatorypartners.com. Global Regulatory Partners, committed to your success in the USA.